Hey guys, what's up? It's Scudder85 back another unboxing, and this time, as you can see, it's for Wolfenstein Youngblood Deluxe Edition on the Xbox One. So yeah, I picked this up today for $29.99 here in the UK. So yeah, quite looking forward to playing this. I'll be playing this in co-op with one of my besties. So yeah, as you can see, there's Jess and Soph, I think it is, which is BJ Blazkowicz's daughters. So yeah. So obviously as well, as you can see, it includes a buddy pass, invite a friend, they play for free. There's the side, and there's the back. Wolves hunt together. And it says all that. The deluxe edition includes a buddy pass and the cyborg skin pack, which is different suits and weapons and stuff. In-store size is up to 40 gig, and it is Xbox One X enhanced, 4K Ultra HD, and the single player and online co-op. Then inside we have the disc, deluxe edition code, do not discard. Advert for Doom Eternal, which to be fair I probably will end up getting, and Wolfenstein Cyberpilot, which is a VR game for the PlayStation. I think it's for the PlayStation. I don't know if it's for anything else. And you've also got the control scheme there. And then you've also got some background art, which is just the same as the cover, to be fair, except is it different? Yeah, it's the same. So yeah, that's my rather quick unboxing for Wolfenstein Youngblood Deluxe Edition on the Xbox One, guys. If you like this, please do be sure to check out my other videos. But for now, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Cheers, bye bye.